We landed at around 7:30 p.m. and got to our hotel to freshen up in time for dinner. This is my outfit. I'm wearing this dress from Oakenfort and I got this bag from Target. We're going for sushi and I'm wearing these boots. We decided to take an Uber to dinner and booked a reservation at this place called Momotaro, which is supposed to be an amazing Japanese izakaya style restaurant. We honestly really enjoyed the food and atmosphere. Our favorite dish was the taco su, which is a Spanish octopus. It was very flavorful and tender. We're on our way to the Nutella Cafe, and then after we want to go to like a Target to get some stuff that we forgot to bring on the trip. And we also are gonna go to Giordano's, which is a deep dish pizza spot. We're gonna also do a boat tour. We have a lot packed. Our hotel was in a really good location, so we were able to walk to a lot of places. The line for the Nutella Cafe was crazy long. We waited over an hour and a half in line. This is definitely super touristy. We did a little outfit change because it's so cold in Chicago. So now I'm wearing a sweater, which is from Cezanne, and I'm bringing my scarf, and I thought that this white handbag from JWPI would be nice with the outfit. So I think we're gonna go to the Bean now and then maybe go shopping. We're walking along the Riverwalk and we're trying to see if we can get tickets for the boat ride. Dinner on our second night in Chicago was at Le Colonial, which is a fancy French Vietnamese restaurant. This was our favorite restaurant of the trip. It was beautiful inside and the food was delicious. It's raining in Chicago, so we got a little umbrella. I'm all bundled up. And we're going to get some hot dogs.
Anything else, dude?
No.
Hold on. Let's see if we can get a chocolate chip.
Look at the size of this thing. What else do we got? We got some onion rings.
Wait, you're right. I should have gotten. Wait, the table's scary.
2 hot dogs.
Oh.
Cheese sauce.
I need you to kill this one, dude. It's really good.
We were so full after our lunch and decided to walk to Alice in Wonder to look for some Chicago merch. So we just got some stuff from Alice in Wonder. They have a lot of good Chicago merch. So if you come to Chicago, definitely check out their store. Apparently they are a local company and woman owned, so it's really cool inside, and they gave me this bag for free. The biggest Starbucks in the world was next on our list. They have special drinks and food. It was pretty cool. Whenever I travel, I like to try different cafes in the city. Blue Bottle has both yummy coffee and matcha drinks. We ate a lot on this trip. The popcorn here is so good. We got the Chicago style mix, which is both sweet and salty. For our last night in the city, we booked an Italian dinner at Alla Vita. We thought it was pretty good, but we would definitely want to try other Italian places if we come back to Chicago. We also decided to check out this rooftop bar for the views of the city and drinks. Overall, I think 3 days in Chicago was more than enough, and the food scene is incredible here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you have any questions.